Just do your work, arrest them, overcome the resistance, and if there is violence, kill them. Yun ang nadala ko, yun ang ginamit ng mga politiko. So every time may mamatay, aking kasalanan. Without really studying closely my pagkalumaban. Basta alam nila, kill, 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 kill. Ay, problema ninyo yan. Ngayon, anong order ko sa iyo? We have a problem. Our problem is, hindi ko alam ganito kalalim at kabigat kung hindi ako naging presidente. Just do your duty. Go there, arrest them, and if there is a resistance which would place your life para ikaw mamatay, putang ina, patay mo. There is no law at all. Mind you, Human Rights Commission. Tarantado pala. There is no law. There has to be a law. Do not keep on complaining about my mouth because my mouth is not the problem. It cannot bring down a country, but it can erase a generation of right-thinking Filipino. Ang issue dito, hindi yung bunganga ko.